When do you exercise?
When do you exercise?
I exercise in the morning.
I exercise in the morning.
When do you take lunch?
When do you take lunch?
I take lunch in the afternoon.
I take lunch in the afternoon.
When do you study? When do you study? I study in the afternoon. I study in the afternoon.
When do you play?
When do you play? I play in the evening.
I play in the evening.
When do you take dinner?
When do you take dinner?
I take dinner at night.
I take dinner at night.
When do you sleep?
When do you sleep?
I sleep at 9 o'clock.
I sleep at 9 o'clock. Brush teeth, yes, yes, yes. Wash hands, yes, yes, yes. Bath daily, yes, yes, yes. Comb hair, yes, yes, yes. Drink water, yes, yes, yes. Eat fruits, yes, yes, yes. Eat veggies, yes, yes, yes. Share toys.